I'm going to do a quick experiment with charging by contact using kind of the standard setup with the electrostatics kit and the charge sensor. And one thing I would like to do is to make sure that my charge separators don't have any excess charge on them already. And the electrostatics kit comes with a cotton cloth. It's just a washcloth, and I've actually dampened it so that I can touch those two before I start to make sure that there's no excess charge on there. And then the other thing I would like to do is to make sure that there's no charge already built up on any of this, and so I'm going to press the grounding button there to make sure there's no charge already on the system. So now we need to set up for this experiment, and I'm going to use the standard default settings for the charge sensor, 10 samples per second, 60 seconds. But I want to enable data marking, and data marking is going to allow me to mark different points on the graph. So I'm going to go to the meter and then go to advanced, pull down, enable data marking, say OK. And now I'm ready to begin collection. So I will hit collect to start with, and now I will rub the charge separators together. I will take the white one and lay it down in there. I'm going to mark a point as it goes in. And then mark it and remove it. And now I'm going to rub it on the edge of the pail. And now stop rubbing. And I'll hit stop. So we have some interesting data here, and so we see that when I first put the white disc inside the pail, we end up with a charge on there. When I pull it back out, nothing happens. But when I put it in and actually touch the pail, then when I remove it at this point, and we leave excess charge on the pail there. Now what I could do is go in and mark these different data marks. I will mark this as insert. Done. Then the second one was where I removed it. And the third one, I will say touch, and then remove again. So all I'm doing is marking the different points along the graph to be able to do that. So now I've got the different markings there. So in this experiment, we've used the vernier charge sensor along with the electrostatics kit to study charge by contact or conduction.